Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the phone and computer so you can safely remove the tracker. Enable developer options, then turn on USB debugging. That gives your PC command access. On the computer, install the Android platform tools and confirm ADB runs. Once done, plug the phone to the PC, accept the debug prompt on the phone, and verify ADB sees the device. Make a full backup and sign out of optional Samsung services before proceeding to avoid data loss or sync surprises. Next, identify the exact package name and remove it for your user profile. Run a DB devices to confirm connection, then a DB shell PM list packages grep iHealth to find the package. Once you have the exact name, run a DB shell PM uninstall users 0com. Samsung, Android. Shelf or use a DB shell PM uninstall kuser0 package if needed. This removes the app and its tracker components for your current user without needing root. Make sure commands finally reboot and confirm the health tracker is gone. After restarting, open Settings right arrow apps and search for the package. It should be absent or disabled. If any residual data appears, clear cache and storage from the app entry or use a DB shell PM clear package. If you need the app back, reinstall from Galaxy Store or restore from backup. Troubleshooting tip: if uninstall fails, double-check the exact package name and run the uninstall command again, or use a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.